Welcome, today we're going to show you how to transfer files between two PCs without any USB or cables or anything like that. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you both are connected to the same network or Wi-Fi. After that, the next thing that you need to do is to open the start menu and then search for control panel. You need to open it, and after that you need to go to the view section and you need to change it to category. Now you need to click on Network and Internet and you need to go to Network and Sharing Center. From here, go to Change Advanced Sharing Settings, and from here you need to make sure that Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing is turned on. Make sure that all the options are turned on from here. Then go to All Networks section from here and turn on the public folder sharing. Now close this window and you need to go back to Sharing Center window. From here you need to click on Media Streaming options and click on Turn on Media Streaming. Now make sure that it's allowed from here and then close this window. After that, now you need to make a new folder or choose a folder that you want to share. Then right click on it and click on Show More Options. Then click on Give Access to and choose Specific People. So now you need to click on here on the drop down menu and choose Everyone. And now this file will be shared on the network. So now you can just add any file inside this folder and anyone in the same network can see this folder. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.